Hello everyone, welcome back to Magic Now. So today we are going to check how is going to be our next week. This coming week, that is from 10th of January to 16th of January. So before we go for our reading today, I would request all of you who have specific question, please write to me at nowmagic3@gmail.com, because this is a general reading, so whoever is requesting me for a specific question, it is little difficult to answer those questions on my channel, so it can be a personal reading for all of you. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the two crystals, pink and white, I have given you for choosing. So please choose from these two. I'll give you 15 seconds. Your time is starting now. Well, the time is over. We'll go with the white crystal first. Those who have chosen the white crystal, this answer is for them. How is going to be the coming week for all of you from 10th of Jan to 16th of Jan 2021? Let's see. This reading is for all of you who have chosen the white crystal. So, all of you who have chosen the white crystal, the coming week can be a week for meeting people, making negotiation. Some important meeting can happen. You can be with your friends and celebrate the time for celebration also. And also the cards are suggesting that go out in the nature and do some exercises. It is coming repeatedly for some time, I can notice that. So please do exercises, going in the nature, taking walk, cycling, anything you like. And also be little careful about when you are doing some important meeting. There could be a possibility of argument happening. So I'm not saying that it is going to be a very it is going to be a massive argument, but there would be some you know sort of agreeing and disagreeing on certain matter. So but ultimately it will come to a positive conclusion, I hope. Uh, you can meet somebody who is very dear to you, a very dear and loyal friend. That friend can also help you negotiating certain things for you, mostly as far as your work is concerned. Uh, that you can spend some good time with your friend also. And definitely next week your one of your very good friends is going to contribute to your life in some way or the other. I can see I can see a stable finance is coming in your way, personal finance. It's not uh, finance for your business or something like that, but personal finance is coming in your way. Something is happening. It may come next week itself, or you can get a news or assurance that henceforth you are going to get a stable finance, which is going to give you a stability. So overall, quite a positive week you can expect. And only the thing is, you should do some exercise, workout, preferably in the nature, and just keep it in mind that if you are going for some meeting, some negotiation, there can be some argument. So please keep that in mind so that you are prepared for it. But other than that, it's quite a pleasant week coming in your way. That's all for people who have chosen the white crystal. Now we will ask the cards about all of you who have chosen the pink crystal. How is going to be your coming week? That is from 16th Jan to, from 10th of January to 16th of January 2021. Let's see. For all of you who have chosen the pink crystal, okay? So all of you who have chosen this pink crystal can expect a healthy week. Health would be good. Can expect a week which will give you some growth in your life, in every area of your life. You can expect divine love. You can expect a smile on your face during the week. You would get something which will compel you to say thank you. Some gift, some surprise, some good news, some pleasant information. Again, time for love. Those who are already in a relationship can expect a very good time together. Those who are not in a relationship can expect something in this coming week. And also, all of you who are maybe little anxious or worried for something, you will get a solution. Your heart will be fulfilled with happiness. Only thing that there could be something, there could be some loss. When I say loss, it can be anything. It can be money loss. It can be some argument going on in your own mind, but you will be able to handle it. You will be able to, maybe some verbal not so good conversation with some people, but if you can maintain your intention, your I would say purity, or you will be able to handle it properly. So and also these two cards are telling me that be little careful about your elders' health also. Not yours, but your elders' health. There could be not so major, but some disturbances in your parents' or elders' health. Otherwise, for you, it can be an amazing week, full of happiness and smile and love, health, growth, everything you can expect in this coming week. Only just be careful of this, what I mentioned about some loss. Otherwise, it's quite a pleasant week for all of you who have chosen the pink crystal. All right, that's all for you. Have a very happy weekend. I will see you again next week. Till then, bye bye.